Hi guys, welcome back. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can be able to swap your good dollar that we have been mining to real assets like Celo USDT or whatever coin that you want to swap it into. Actually, I mine this. I mine this completely free of charge. You can see over here that the worth is 6.46 USDT, and right here guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be able to swap this to another cryptocurrency like USDT or Celo, and then withdraw it to Binance and use it for whatever I want to. So right here guys, to get started with this mining, it is completely free of charge. The link is going to be on the description of this video. Actually, there's nothing like a paid plan, there's nothing like a plan whatsoever. So you just need to register your own account and your mining will start immediately, after which you are going to be claiming it every single day. All right, so right now stick with me, let me now show you guys everything. Actually, I've made a video concerning something like this times ago, but right now I want to repeat the same process again. So the first thing is that you need a Bitget wallet with at least, okay, my bad, you need a Bitget wallet. You all know Bitget wallet. If you don't know Bitget wallet, you go to your Play Store to download your Bitget wallet. All right, so right now if you need a Bitget wallet with at least one Celo. All right, so the one Celo is just for you to it's gonna be used to cover the gas fee, or you can just say $1 worth of Celo. We all know Celo chain. All right, so once you just downloaded your Bitget wallet, the first thing you need to do is simply make sure that you have created an account. So for more details about how you can do this, the link is gonna be on the description of this video. Make sure you check out the video that we're gonna teach you how you can do everything exactly. So the first thing is simply like how I did it, is simply that you need to create account. If you don't have an account, you just click over here that we have an account. You are asked to add wallet. You come over here that you need to just import it using your mnemonic phrase right here. So once you click on it, you are gonna be asked to input your pin immediately. Then you proceed by inputting the code. So coming down here to my $G app, once I click on this 3 dot line, I will click on it like this, my bad. Once I click on it, then I will click over here on export wallet. Once I click on export wallet, this is my private key that I need to copy so that I can use it for whatever purpose I want to. So once I can just copy this code like this, once I just copy it like this, then I will go back over here, then I will input it right here. Then I'm gonna be creating a new account, just like I did the same thing right here on this one right here. Okay, so that's how I created this account, and that's how you link your good dollar or good wallet app to your Bitget wallet. So once you have done that, you come right here to DApp. Once you click on that like this, you can see right here that this is where you search the web3 browser. All right, so once you click on you need to get to your Uniswap. Okay, so make sure you stick with me, do not skip any parts of this video. So right here guys, this is where we're gonna be exchanging our good dollar that we just mined completely free of charge. Right here, this is where we're gonna be exchanging it to real assets like USDT or Celo. All right, so coming over here to our Telegram channel, I gave this update a long time ago, like July 31st 2023. I gave you guys all this update. I gave you guys the contract address, the link to where you're going to be exchanging your token, and also the link to where you're going to be registering your account. All these updates are right there on our Telegram channel, and also I'm going to be pinning it on the description of this video. So right now, let me now go back like this. Coming over here, you can see over here that we have about 34.72k good dollar right here, and we are going to be exchanging it to real USDT like Celo or USDT, which we can then withdraw to Binance and do with it whatever we like. So coming over here, let me now go back to my Bitget wallet, because this is where we're going to be making the exchange. So over here, I want to exchange my Celo. All right, so I will do it like this. I want to exchange the asset I'm going to be inputting right here to Celo. Okay, so once I click over here to select token like this, I'm going to be asked to paste. I'm going to be asked to select the token I want to exchange to. I will go back to my Telegram channel like this. Then I will copy this contract address right here. So once I just copy this address, I will go back like this. Then I will put the address right here. Okay, so I will put the contract address. You can see that it just popped up right now. I will select it like this. Then I'm gonna have to okay, so you can see over here that it is showing the exact balance. The reason why the balance doesn't tally exactly with what we have right here is because we have another crypto coin by the side. All right, so this coin right here plus this coin plus this coin is what made up this coin. So but what I needed to focus right now is to focus right here. We have 27.59 over here, and that's exactly the same thing that we have right here, 27.59. so right now guys, we are going to be making the swap right now. So we want to be swapping everything. So I will click on max like this. So over here you can see that it's actually worth $4. All right, so we are going to be swapping it to Celo right now. So once we swap it to Celo, we are gonna be making the withdrawal to anywhere we want to. So right here on this video, I don't want this video to be very long. I just want to show you guys that this really works, and you should make sure you give it a big shot. All right, so what I need to do right now is to simply come over. You need to take note of a few things right here. That's why I say you have to watch the video till the end. You need to make sure that you are interacting with Celo network, Celo blockchain, by clicking over here and selecting Celo, right? Because if you are not on the Celo blockchain, you might find this really complicated. All right, so what I need to do right now is simply hit on swap. So I need you to take note of the coin right here, so that if it actually reduces, then it means that this swapping really worked. All right, so I will go back like this to my Bitget wallet, and I will confirm this swap right now. So I'm gonna be required to sign this signature, which I'm gonna sign by just clicking the signature sign right here. So just stick with me, because this is very simple and we're going to be doing it right now live. Okay, so what I need to do right now is simply click on confirm again, so that we're going to be confirming it on layer 2. Just give it a little time, because we are now swapping our 27.59 G dollar to 10.46. You can see over here that the swap has been successfully swapped right now. So over here, guys, you can see that we still have something like this. So when I reload this page right now, you can see that the balance will change drastically, but I want to do it right here, guys. So what I need to do right now is simply reload this page. Let's see if we have a different thing right here, guys. So stick with me, because this is very simple and we are doing it together. So you can see that this is really working, and you need to give it a shot. All right, so the link to everything is going to be on the description of this video. So coming over here, guys, you can see that this has just changed right now, and about 27.59 good dollar has been minus from our app, because we just swap it to another one. So this simply means that this mining actually works very well, and you need to give it a shot. All right, so the link to how you're going to be able to set up everything is going to be on the description of this video. So if I should go back to my app right now, you are going to be seeing that what I have right here. Let me go back like this. Okay, so I will go back to my wallet right now. You can see that I now have $5 right here, completely free of charge, that I go without doing anything serious. I mine this completely free of charge. You can see over here that the mining literally works very well, and do not hesitate to give it a shot, because that's how we earn right here on my channel. So I've already made a video about how you can set up your account, how you can do everything concerning this. The link to the video is going to be on the description of this video. Make sure you check it out and get started mining from today, after which you can just come over here and swap yours, as I just swap mine right now. So thank you, guys, and I will see you guys on my video that is dropping very soon. Make sure to subscribe and like this video you just watched right now. Thank you. Peace.